There's love in every bit of the mishmash. The Gisele Mishmash!
Hi, I'm Gisele. Welcome to the Gisele Mishmash. Let's spend some time in nature. Grub will take you for a walk through nature. We will move like nature. We're gonna ripple like water. And we will explore nature through my sparkly specs and make a nature craft. So let's have a mishmash of nature learning fun. Starting with using a bit of nature to cool down. Woo! It's hot in here. I'm on a dock. Do you see the beautiful lake? It's windy, so the water's moving quickly. Do you see the ripples in the water? Can you ripple like the water? Let's try it. Be the wind, causing the water to ripple. Ooh, wow, it's getting windier. Oh, the wind is making me become a tidal wave. Wow! Hello! Hello!
Oh, hi, Grub.
Oh, Michelle! It's money! Oh, Michelle! Oh, money! Oh, my God! It's money! In your room!
Okay, so if I understand you correctly, you woke up late. Okay, and then you couldn't find your mat? And then you missed the bus. It's okay, Grub. You're at yoga now, and that's all that matters. We do yoga to relax. So you're ready to relax with me now and enjoy the moment?
Relax? Oh, it's more? Yes?
That's right.
Possible.
So today we're going to be doing balloon breath.
Balloon?
And everyone at home can do it as well.
Oh, it's more. Hello.
Okay, so we're going to sit down on our bottoms with our legs crisscross applesauce, just like this. And we're going to take our hands and place them on our bellies.
Oh, a belly.
That's right, Grub. And I'm going to use my little breathing ball here, and you're going to follow along. And what we're going to do is take a big deep breath in through our nose. And our bellies fill with air like a balloon and out. And it deflates. Good.
Oh,
Good. Again, deep breath in and out.
Oh, it's more.
Good. Let's try that again. Deep breath in and out. In and out. In. How are you feeling, Grub?
Oh, Michelle, you must want Grub. Relax.
Good.
Hey.
And when do you think we can do our balloon breath?
Oh, it's morning. Oh,
That's right, Grub. When we're feeling frustrated, angry, or upset, we can do our balloon breath to feel better.
Balloon! Balloon! Oh, oh. Balloon! Oh, balloon! Oh, a balloon! Oh, no! No more! Oh, a balloon! Oh, you! Oh! Balloon.
have my sparkly specks. They sparkle and shine. When I look through them, I stop to see a big, beautiful world around you and me. I see a tree. It looks like a big tree. And there aren't any leaves on this big old tree. I can imagine the wood cracking. It looks like the tree bark feels dry and rough. Ah, what a big, beautiful old tree. I hope you can take a moment. There's so much to hear, taste, feel, smell, and see in this big, beautiful world around you and me. Let's get art smart with a nature painting. You see, I've collected these little bits and pieces of nature. I have a pine cone, some little leaves, and a little tiny twig. Oh, and a dandelion. And I'm going to use those to make my nature painting. The other thing I need is a piece of paper and some paint and some clothes pegs if you'd like to use them. They're just kind of fun because you can turn your little bits of nature into little paintbrushes by clipping a clothes peg on like so. They're not necessary, but they are fun to use. So there, I have this one here. Whoopsies! Oh, I already got some paint in my pine cone. That's okay. I'm gonna try and clip it on again. There we go. Okay, and then I'm gonna try this little leaf. I'm gonna peg it with this clothes peg. Ta-da! Like so. And then this one over here for my dandelion. Now you could find bits of nature outside on a walk to make your nature painting. So there are a lot of bits of pieces of nature that you can use. These are just ones that I found, like this little twig that I've also clipped in one of my clothes pegs. Okay, so those are all ready. Now, you can fold your paper in half if you like, the way I'm going to do, because I'm making a card. That's what I've decided. But you could just make a regular painting on a flat piece of paper, but I thought this might be a very pretty card to paint with my bits of nature, like my twig. Now, you could dip it into any color of paint. I'm gonna try orange. See, it's like a little mini paintbrush. And then you just paint. Whoops, it came loose. There we go. No, I don't know if it's gonna work. We're gonna try. Ah, there we go. Nope, I'm not sure. Let's see if it can work. There we go. Okay, ta-da. I guess the clothes pegs really keep your hands from getting dirty, but sometimes I like to get my hands dirty, truthfully. Okay, there we go. Look at that. It makes all these really neat prints. Oh, I love it. Now I'm just bouncing it up and down, but also you can try and paint like that by doing some strokes of paint. Okay, well, did that one. Let's try this one here, the leaf. Okay, I'll dip that into some yellow paint. These little leaves, and then paint like this. That's so much fun. Okay. There we go. Beautiful. Those pretty colors together. Oh, I think this card is going to be lovely. I have this pine cone as well. Oh, let's see, is it gonna hold? Not sure. Let's see, there, okay. There we go. No, you know what? I'm gonna let go of my clothes peg. I'm gonna just get my hands dirty, as I often do. Okay, I'm gonna press it into some more paint. Let's see, oh, if I roll it back and forth. Oh, that's neat. Yeah, it's always fun to get your hands in the paint like so. Oh, look at all these gorgeous colors. Just by rolling it in the paint onto the paper. Stunning, I love it. Okay, and then this one over here, my dandelion. I'll try the peg again. There, that seems to hold well. What color should I do? I'll do orange again. Add a bit more orange. Oh, this one's easy. It's so soft, the dandelion. That one's easy to paint with. Here we go. Oh, I could splotch it around. Could do some strokes like that. There we have it. Ah, look at that. What a pretty card. So, I have a masterpiece for my mantelpiece. This masterpiece is so colorful and made by the artist Zoe, who's 5 years old from Ile Perrot, Quebec, Canada. Thank you for this, Zoe. I love this. Zoe calls this rainbow goodness virus that attacks the bad virus and protects the kingdom. Wow, that is so creative, so inventive. Thank you so much for this, Zoe. I love this rainbow goodness virus. It sounds just awesome. So I shall add your masterpiece to my mantelpiece. Oh, it looks just lovely. Please send me your masterpieces for my mantelpiece. To do so, please ask a grown-up to go to giselemishmash.com. And I hope to see you in another video of the Gisele Mishmash. Please remember to click the like and the subscribe button. Okay, I will see you in another video. I send you a mishmash of love.
The Gisele